Ma'am and sir, I am Jessica R. Magbuhos. I'm 32 years old. I live in Novaliches, Quezon City, Philippines. I have a live-in partner and 2 children, a 13-year-old son and 5 months old daughter. I am a high school graduate and I'm working experience is as a production worker of JBC Food Corp. As a mother, I manage a household chores. I wash dishes, I'm laundry the clothes, I'm cleaning the house, I'm cooking, but not very skilled of cooking, but I'm willing to learn. If I am hard, I am also eager to learn other languages and culture. I assure you that I am honest and respectful towards everyone. Thank you.